Hey, I'm Carly, and I'm going to be spinning a basketball, which looks like this, on my finger. Okay, here I go.
And I'm Lindsay.
And I'm going to probably switch fingers, and okay, here I go.
Oh yeah, bam. Take that. Oh yeah, bam. Ooh, impressive. Ooh, can you do that?
Okay, I could probably do it for a lot longer, but now I'm going to switch fingers. Here I go. Start now.
Ooh, different finger. Ooh, oh yeah, bam.
And then I'm
Ooh,
going to switch back.
oh yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to do this finger, this finger, this finger.
Here she goes. Oh yeah, bam. Ooh, switch finger. Ooh, other finger.
Okay, now I'm going to spin it on my knuckle. Ready?
Oh yeah, bam. Knuckles. Oh yeah.
That's all. Get your game on.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Get the ball.
Oh yeah.
Today.